everyone, my name is Taj. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am really happy that you're here. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys on a little tour of my little apartment. My fiance and I try to live as environmentally conscious, frugal, and thrifty as possible because we are huge fans of saving the planet as well as saving money. As a result, most of the items in our apartment have either been thrifted, purchased secondhand, DIY'd, or thrown at us when we moved out of our parents' place. I think I've been able to piece together a pretty cool and comfy aesthetic with all the secondhand items, and I figured why not share our comfy corner of the world with strangers on the internet. So without further ado, let's commence the tour. Starting off with the living room because it is the room most lived in. Starting off with this couch. This couch was a steal for 60 bucks. It was well crafted, comfortable, not infested with anything. Everything you could ask for from a thrifted couch. However, it was recently destroyed by my very cute yet very inconsiderate cat Buttercup. I really want to find a way to fix the couch because I honestly do love it, but it has seen better days. Okay, I'm back with hopefully better lighting and a new coat of lip gloss. Hey. Anyway, moving on to the shelf. This shelf is my first DIY I am actually proud of. I made it from an old frame I had lying around in twine I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's been up for about a year and it hasn't fallen yet, so I consider it a success. All right, moving on to this little coffee table area we have. Starting off with this cool lamp I got from Habitat Humanity Reshop store for 20 bucks. In addition to the lamp, I also have a plant baby. This candle I got from a thrift store for $3.50. What is this called? Oil diffuser? I don't know. It smells good. It smells like cupcakes. And then I have this photo album. Great. Quickly moving on because we are losing light. It is like 5 o'clock. Swiftly switching over to the entertainment center. I got this hand-me-down TV from my sweet mom. A TV stand that's technically a dresser, secondhand from OfferUp. Basket for 2 bucks. Thrifted speakers for $3.99 a piece. And I can't forget about these really neat candle stands I got for $9.99 each. And this really cool rug, free via Liam's parents. Thanks, guys. Moving on. Here we have a plant stand, which is barely successful DIY from my fiance. It was his first thing that he put together. It was made with a lot of love and a lot of patience with a dash of frustration. As you can see, it's a bit crooked. However, if you just turn like that, look at that. You can barely, no, it's still kind of crooked. Anyway, moving on to this unidentified space here that houses some of my favorite thrift store finds I've ever found. Starting off with this mirror that I found for 18 bucks, as you can see, which is an absolute steal. I've seen similar mirrors all over Pinterest for the longest, and I never thought I'd actually find one at a thrift store, let alone one for 18 bucks. Little side note here. I was saying a whole lot of nothing here, so we're just gonna scoot right through this. Here we got this little, here we also have this little radio that's also in like my top 10 favorite thrift finds ever. I wanted to show you guys this little radio actually works. However, do I want a copyright strike? Nope. So instead, please enjoy this royalty-free generic music. Here houses my plant, which by the way, little side note, proud plant mom moment, because I am a murderer of mini pets. I have, oh, not pets, sorry. I'm a murderer of many plants. I can assure you, Buttercup is alive and well. And so I've had a lot of plants come and go. However, this guy has been growing out the wazoo. Look, there's another one here. And I'm just like, wow, I finally did something right. Anyway, Here's a little geode, and then this guy who's also in my top 10 favorite thrift finds. This desk was 40 bucks from Habitat for Humanity. I like its pointy legs. Very mid-century modern, I think. Inside our little desk here houses our little typewriter, which I love it. It actually works. But yeah, sometimes it's fun just to type like little type notes. Anyway, moving on because we're losing light and battery. Greetings from the kitchen. It's not much if I'm being honest. However, I have recently been thrifting my butt off trying to find pieces that I feel are gonna take this kitchen from basic and plain to being Pinterest worthy, which is honestly just my #1 goal in life. Anyway, I can show you what the kitchen looks like now. Currently, what we're working with, it's pretty much a blank slate because I've done the bare minimum. And then the fun part is I get to show you all the things that I've thrifted. That way you can also see the vibe that we're going for here. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about, so let's keep this moving. And welcome to my tiny kitchen. It's pretty much a hallway with a refrigerator in it, thrifted coffee maker and books, more thrifted books and a bread basket. Also, we have this kind of dumb but really fun thing where we have a hidden Shrek around our apartment for our friends to find when they come over. Can you spot them? A tiny ironing board that brings me so much joy. A plump tea kettle for 7 bucks. Cute shot glasses that look like tiny mugs. So cute. And these free salt and pepper shakers I got from a garage sale. And lastly, we have this clock. It doesn't work. It's just kind of chilling. That was my very bland kitchen I will be making over in an upcoming video. This leads us to the fun part in our next segment, which is this thing: art, coasters, cups, plates that look like mushrooms, funky vase, fruit basket, marble soap dish. Not sure what this is, but it fits the vision. And these bowls that were incredibly hard to pose for this shot.
With your hands might be fun.
Yeah. Candle holder. Retro crockpot. Retro crockpots. Whoa. Retro crockpot. The R is very important. More art. And all together now. Where we should eat most nights, however, the couch is just way too tempting. We have these really comfy chairs that I got for only 10 bucks, a cool glass table from my mom, tray with various knickknacks, all under $1. This DIY cat house I made for Butters. Up top I have a small DIY paint project. I love the way it looks. The plant inside it, however. Anyways, Buttercup really seems to like her little house, and that's all that matters. This shelf with various thrifted items, all under 4 bucks, including this cute pot set. Bookshelf for 15 bucks with lots of thrifted books. Up top sits my biggest flex to date, and more knickknacks, of course. Switching gears to our record collection, here are just some of my favorite finds amongst our growing collection. This shelf I got from Let Go for 15 bucks. These 2 jars my mom gave me. They're doing a great job of holding my cotton balls and Q-tips. 10 points if you understand this reference. And a little dance because this video is almost over. Yeah. Shower curtain for $3.99. A thrifted purse I used to hold my toilet paper. Worst thrift find ever. And that was the bathroom. Okay, so I was gonna give you guys a tour of my room, however, it was way too messy and I just couldn't put it out on the internet like that. However, this room will get its own video in the near future because, yikes. Anyway, let's pass it on to the version of me that's doing the outro. Welcome to the end of my very first video. I hope you enjoyed this slightly chaotic tour of my little apartment and seeing all of my cool thrift finds and DIY projects. As a thank you for watching all the way through, please enjoy this short montage of relaxing images of my apartment paired with really chill music. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!